Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. My name is Sean Dexter, and I welcome you back to the Mango Grove for yet another quick altcoin video. I'm going to try and keep this one as short and sweet as possible. You guys really like the short video, so I'm going to keep this one short. By the way, quick shout out to Ashok for mentioning this in the Mango Seed chat. I had almost forgotten about this one, even though we talked about it over the weekend, right? On the live stream, guys. You were like, hey, let's wait for this one to close and see what comes out of it. And hey, some really exciting, interesting things going on over here with Icon. I'm really liking what I'm seeing. It's beginning to look really beautiful. So we'll be covering this in today's video. Icon on the Bitcoin pairing, and a quick update on the Eldron trade, because I've been getting many PMs on this one. Hey guys, it's just going good, right? We covered this in the video. Nothing to update on really. Go ahead and check out the video. We were looking at the consolidation over here, looking for the breakup. We got it, right? Looking good thus far. Nothing to do but ride the trend, as long as the trend is our friend, right? And it's a good 25% win thus far, around 26%. So I'm just being patient, guys. I don't want to try and overtrade this and miss out on a big win. You guys know how I trade. I do the Mango way, I do the stress-free way, and that's how we catch up big wins. For that matter, I'm still in my VeChain trade too, guys, and it's going good, right? I could have tried to overtrade this, but I don't want to. I'm happy with the big win we have thus far. I've taken some profits, of course. Part of the strategy, we got in around 99 to 101 Satoshi, and so far 64%, right? If I try to get too cute with this, I would have missed out. And hey, just gonna follow my rules, follow my system. That being said, we want to cover Icon in this chart, in this analysis, not VeChain. Let me know though in the comments down below which chart you guys want me to cover next. I'm thinking either Chainlink or perhaps an update on VeChain. No, how about this? Between Chainlink and Cardano, let me know in the comments down below, and I will go ahead and cover that coin depending on who wins the vote. So Icon, guys, what's going on over here? Well, we have many things going on over here, but let's start with the Mango Vine over here, as it has now become a core part of my altcoin trading strategy as well. I now start every altcoin analysis in my personal routine, of course, by first looking at the Mango Vine and looking to see what it has been telling us. And guys, right over here you can see that it's giving us some really bullish signals. In fact, right in this area over here, right, it gave you guys a buy signal for those of you guys who do have access to it, right around 3,000 Satoshi mark. And hey, this is looking good over here. The Mango Vine is making me want to sort of FOMO, but I'm going to wait for tomorrow's candle close before I make any decision. Let's go ahead and look at the 12 hour. 12 hour is also, hey, flipped bullish right over here, guys, after breaking. We'll be coming back to this trend line, guys, very soon. But after breaking, gave you such a good entry right over here if you're looking at the 12-hour time frame. By the way, guys, big shout out to Robert. I'll be doing a XRP video very soon, and he used the Vine phenomenally well to be able to take a it's really Robert is like the Mango Vine expert. He's using that indicator. He's always been using it better than me, even though it's my indicator, but damn. Well done, Rob, on that one. I'll be doing an XRP video either perhaps tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, 12-hour Vine looking good as well. And now the last time frame I'd like to look at is the 4-hour, and the 4-hour Vine is also green. And hey, looking good across all time frames that matter to me: the 4-hour, the 12-hour, and the daily. Now, You guys are probably looking at the 1 hour too. I do not when pertaining to altcoins. When it comes to altcoins, I do like to look at the higher time frames and the mid time frames. And the mid time frames to me are the 4-hour and the 12-hour. Actually, 12-hour and daily do constitute high time frames for me when pertaining to altcoins, and 4 hours more like a mid time frame. All right, so now we can go ahead and look at the Ichimoku, and that's where things really start to come together. What's going on with the cloud? We had a nice edge-to-edge trade over here. As you guys can see, we closed above the cloud right over here, right over here at around 3,650 Satoshi, confirmed above it. And this is the first time in a very long time that Icon has actually confirmed a clean close over the cloud, where it's looking like it may actually see continuation all the way to the next resistance at around 4,575 Satoshi, right? Nothing in its way anymore. No longer looking messy like it did in the past. If you guys do remember, using our Ichimoku template, by the way, the Mango ribbon gives you this template. Just use the link down below. You will get free access to the Mango ribbon. And yeah, just very useful indicator with all of our settings that we use over here at the Mango community. Anyways, going back to what we were saying, we were looking at this major breakout over here, right, where it broke the 200 moving average, retested, and bounced very aggressively for a nice trend. Then we looked at it again over here, guys, where it came down, right? I was really excited about this one over here. I didn't get in, missed the trade, and it bounced again. As you can see, it got front run. Again, it got front run right over here off this 200 moving average. And we said, okay, let's be patient now. What were we looking for next? One, breaking above the cloud over here. Well, we got that. What else were we looking for? This massive channel, right? This massive channel, falling channel. And we're like, okay, cool. Right over here, it looked like on that Saturday when we were talking about it, we were like, okay, it looks like we may be breaking this channel towards the upside, but it's not confirmed just yet. Guess what, guys? We closed right above it, tested it, and bounced above, right? Bounced towards the upside. Where did we come to test? Well, we came to test this horizontal right over here at 3,878. And again, that was the next criteria for me to get bullish on this trade. I said, okay, guys, as much as this is looking beautiful, diagonal lines are not to be fully trusted if you want the safe trade. By all means, we could have taken the trade over here, right? Could have taken the trade on the 200 moving average too. We missed both. But if you want the safe trade, right, this is the one I was looking for, guys. A candle close and confirmation as well above 3,881 Satoshi. Let me go ahead and mark that. For now, I'm going to go ahead and clear out the Ichimoku, guys. Okay, so you can see the horizontal I'm looking at. This horizontal right over here has been resistance for a while now. How long has it been? Actually, let's go ahead and see. Ever since we lost it over here. So you can say something like this. All right. It's been a good 98 days, guys, more than 3 months. We are about to clear above it. If you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, and this is where I'm thinking about Krisha, because she is pattern queen. This is the kind of chart she loves, because we have a falling channel with a structure that resembles something like a double shoulder, inverted head and shoulders over here, as you guys can see, right? You have your left shoulder, inverted left shoulder, yes, right? L, your head, and your right shoulder. Ooh, okay, cool. And inverted head and shoulders within a falling channel. Now, some people may be looking at this as a cup and handle, blah, 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 but I'm not a pattern expert, guys. I play the structure, which is why I like horizontals. Okay, so we have our potential inverted head and shoulders over here. Let's go ahead and see what the measured move would be for this one, which, by the way, is pointing to around 5,000 Satoshi. So let's go ahead and put a marker right over there around 5. Lines up really well with this wick high over here, guys. Let me go ahead and show you guys right over here. So nice confluence over there. So let's go ahead and remove that for now. What else do we have going on over here? So we have our inverted head and shoulders. We have a falling channel. By the way, let's go ahead and see what our falling channel is saying for a measured move. We can go ahead and do it this way. We broke it over to the upside over here. Ooh, that lines up perfectly, guys. Perfectly. You're not always gonna have like this kind of confluence, but when it does show up, hey, it's nice to see, right? And again, it doesn't need to be perfect, guys. It doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, so we have a left head, we have our inverted head and shoulders, a falling channel. What else do we have? Well, what I'm seeing, guys, I'm not sure if you guys are seeing it just yet, but I am seeing a potential symmetrical triangle of sorts. Sorry, ascending triangle of sorts right over here. Again, it's not perfect, but it's a structure that matters, right? This channel with a inverted head and shoulders with a ascending triangle that we might be breaking on over to the upside, right? So we've not done it just yet. We've not confirmed just yet, but we might be. What I really like is that we've taken out these wick highs as well, right over here at 3,970. That was the high of yesterday. We've taken it out today. So really good bullish candle, guys. Look at what we've done. We've taken out the low of yesterday, taken out the high of yesterday, right? After a rejection of this massive horizontal over here. I'm really liking this. If you guys are on the C program and now you guys are witnessing what I'm doing right here, I'm using a combination of trend analysis, patterns, as well as our candlestick analysis module, right? You guys are seeing it all. That's why I'm liking this chart. That's why I always recommend using a holistic approach towards your trading and not get too stuck into your tunnel vision, guys. Always look at multiple criteria and then be like, hey, the probability of this is beginning to look more and more on my side, or one direction or the other, right? You always want to play the probability, and in the long run, you will be up ahead of the rest of the market. Okay, so Icon Bitcoin looking good over here. What's the measured move for this ascending triangle? Let's go ahead and see. Oof, almost perfect, right? Actually, it wasn't fair. So let me bring this out a little bit lower, and right over here, coming up to around 4,929 Satoshi. But guys, again, I really want to see this candle close above 3,868. Let's say 3,900 to be safe, and then I want to see continuation. There's no shame in waiting, right? This is what I mean by I'd rather buy higher, I'd rather buy lower, right? Because when you are buying, you want to you always want to have support as close to you as possible. You do not want to be buying into resistance. Over here, we haven't confirmed this SNR flip just yet. We might. And if we do, hey, I'll be targeting a move all the way up to around the 5,000 Satoshi mark. Now, I do want to make clear I'm not in this trade. I'm not in this trade yet, at the very least. I'm not sure whether I will be getting into this trade. I have to risk manage. I'm in a couple of positions already. And hey, yeah. But I'm liking this, guys. I'm really liking this. So let's go ahead and look at the weekly. Let's see what the weekly is telling us. And the weekly is saying that we have resistance right over here, okay, at around 4,328 Satoshi. We do have this weekly candle right over here that we haven't confirmed just yet. So weekly is a little bit precarious. I do want to wait on confirm. No, the daily will be enough. 2 daily candles will be enough. Again, guys, I'm not in the trade, but it's a good time to be watching Icon for sure. If you guys are following Icon on its fundamentals, etc., let me know, guys, in the comment down below. Is there something coming? Is there a mainnet? Is there something? Because the chart is beginning to look very interesting. We do have, hey, this horizontal over here, guys, as you guys are looking at it right now, 5,000. It's our measured move for our ascending triangle, our measured move for our inverted head and shoulders, our measured move for our falling channel is actually even our weekly resistance. So a lot of confluence there, guys. This is going to be major. 5,000 Satoshi. If we break this towards the upside, if we break 5,000 to the upside on the weekly time frame, at the very least, we'll be looking at a move. Oops, I meant to draw a horizontal. Let me go ahead and switch that up. Okay, we'll be looking at a move all the way to somewhere around here. Again, doesn't need to be perfect. I think it's a 2x move from here. Yeah, it's more than a 2x move. 136%. Damn. After that, if we break this, well, I really don't see much in the way, getting in our way rather. 224,000 Satoshi. Is that right? Am I reading that right? 2,000. Holy crap! It actually says that 2,400 Satoshi, guys. Yep, 500%, guys. That's actually, Jesus, that's close to 6x, guys. Potential here, guys. Potential, but it requires patience. It requires holding power if you do believe in this coin actually getting all the way there. It could, guys. So let's do a quick recap to wrap up the video. What do we have? Well, we're looking for a move all the way to around 5,000 Satoshi if we actually do confirm a candle close above the 4,000 region. Remember, guys, you do not want to be moving over here. Your time to have been buying was somewhere around this line over here, right? This ascending line, which is, by the way, exactly where the mango vine called the buy signal on the daily time frame, and on the 12-hour time frame it called it right over here. So you guys are seeing how it all came together, right? The 12-hour vine called it on the break of this massive ascending triangle, falling channel to the downside, and the daily vine called it on the ascending triangle right over here in the middle of the falling channel. So if you took the daily call, you were getting a good 30%, and if you took the vine, I think it was more like 10%, actually 12%. So but we're not done yet, right? We're not done yet. We can definitely see further continuation, and we want to be part of that trend if we do see that. So again, guys, patience will pay, and this is looking good. I'm still watching for now. I'm not in the trade just yet, but hey, we'll keep you guys updated on what I do. Until then, guys, let me know if you guys enjoyed this video in the comments down below. Throw a like if you enjoyed it. That's how I gauge, through comments and likes, that's how I gauge whether I should be doing these altcoin videos or perhaps just stick to Bitcoin, Chainlink. You guys know. Throw a like, throw a subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.